Our next video in quadratics is graphing in standard form. We're going to use one of the same equations we've been doing, which is y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. The actual format is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We need to know what the coefficients stand for in front of each term. I'm going to use the a and the b to actually find the axis of symmetry. So I've written here x equals negative b over 2a, which is actually the axis of symmetry, but I'm going to use it to find the vertex. So I'm taking b, which is going to be negative 6, and I'm taking a, which is 1, and I'm going to plug it into this formula. So remember, when you have two negatives, because you have a negative and then a negative 6, and then 2 times 1, which is going to be positive 6 divided by 2, or 3. So that is the axis of symmetry. I'm going to use it to find the vertex. If I plug 3 into the equation, into the original equation, I get 3 times 3, 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 18 plus 8, which gives me negative 1. So now I know my vertex is 3 comma negative 1. I'm going to go ahead and plot that. And now I'm going to do one of the same steps that I did before, and that is I'm going to pick a point either on the right or the left of the vertex in order to find one of the points on the side of my parabola. Remember that a parabola is symmetrical, so we're going to only find one point on the side. In this case, I've decided to pick 0 because it's an easy number. So if I plug in 0 into the original equation, I am actually finding the y-intercept. So if I plug in 0, I get 8. Okay, so I've plotted 0, 8, and I'm going to draw my axis of symmetry. At this point, this is my axis of symmetry, and that is going to equal x equal 3. Okay, I'm going to reflect the point 0, 8 over on the other side of the axis of symmetry, and that's going to give me 6, 8. And then I'm going to draw my parabola. Okay, let's go back and just review. We have a vertex of 3, negative 1. The 3 is the axis of symmetry. The negative 1 is the minimum. All right, we've drawn our parabola. We have done the steps for standard form. We found our axis of symmetry, and we've also found our minimum. These are all the things that you need to be able to do on your homework that you're going to submit, on the quizzes, and on the test.